What if I told you that a woman who cannot walk taught the whole world how to stand tall? Stay with me for the next few minutes because today's lesson is going to change more than just your English. It's going to change how you see yourself. And by the end of this video, you will speak better, think stronger, and believe in yourself more than you did 5 minutes ago. Ready? Let's go. Hey, my friend, welcome back. If this is your first time here, I am so happy you found this channel. And if you're back again today for day 4, I am proud of you. Seriously, most people give up after day 1, but you're still here. You're still showing up. And that already tells me something powerful about you. You don't quit easily. Say that with me. I don't quit easily. One more time with feeling. I don't quit easily. Excellent. Did you feel that? That's not just English practice. That's a promise you just made to yourself. Today, we are doing something a little different. We're going to talk about a woman named Muniba Mazari. Maybe you've heard her name before. Maybe you haven't. She's known as one of the most powerful voices of courage from Pakistan. Her life changed in one single moment. A terrible car accident left her unable to walk. Doctors told her she may never be able to do so many things again. But instead of breaking down forever, she picked up a paintbrush, she picked up a microphone, and she built a completely new life as an artist, a television host, and a motivational speaker who has inspired millions of people around the world. Now, here's why we're talking about her today. This lesson isn't about memorizing her biography. It's about borrowing her mindset. Because when you're learning English, especially through shadowing, there will be days you feel frustrated. Your tongue won't cooperate. Your accent won't sound perfect. You'll mess up a word 10 times in a row. And in that moment, I want you to remember real strength is not about never falling. It's about what you do after you fall. Say it with me. I can start again. Let's repeat together. I can start again. One more time slowly. I can start again. Beautiful. You're improving already. All right, let's warm up your mouth and your confidence together the way we always do. Today, we're focusing on real everyday English, the kind you'll actually use with real people, not textbook English, not robotic English, real, human, warm English. We'll practice introducing yourself with confidence, having a natural conversation with a friend, ordering food like a local, handling a job interview question, and even a quick office conversation. And don't worry, I'll be right here with you, shadowing every single sentence together, step by step. Let's start with something so simple, yet so powerful, introducing yourself. This is often the very first thing people say when they meet someone new, and yet so many learners freeze up right here. So let's fix that today. Listen first, then repeat after me. Hi, I'm really glad to meet you. Say it with me. Hi, I'm really glad to meet you. One more time, a little faster. Hi, I'm really glad to meet you. Wonderful. Now notice something about pronunciation here. We don't say glad with a hard, stiff sound. It flows glad to meet you, almost like the words are holding hands. Try softening it. Glad to meet you. Let's try the whole sentence again smoothly. Hi, I'm really glad to meet you. Perfect. You sound so much more natural already. Let's add a follow-up line. Something a confident person would say next. What do you do for a living? Repeat with me. What do you do for a living? Again, what do you do for a living? Great job. Now, here's a little secret about English rhythm. Native speakers connect what do you together almost like one word. What do you do ya? Try it. What do you do for a living? Don't worry if it feels strange in your mouth right now. That strange feeling means you're growing. Let's do it one more time together, nice and relaxed. What do you do for a living? Excellent. Now imagine this. You just introduced yourself at a coffee shop and a new friend invites you to grab lunch together. This next part is where so many learners get nervous ordering food in English. But today, we're going to make it feel easy, even fun. Let's shadow this conversation together. I'll say the waiter's line, then you and I will say the customer's line together. Waiter, hi there, are you ready to order? You, yes, I'll have the grilled chicken sandwich, please. Say it with me. I'll have the grilled chicken sandwich, please. One more time with confidence. I'll have the grilled chicken sandwich, please. Beautiful. Waiter, would you like anything to drink with that? You, just water, thank you. Repeat, just water, thank you. Again, naturally, just water, thank you. You're doing amazing. Here's a pronunciation tip that will instantly make you sound more fluent. The phrase I'll have is often said quickly, almost like I'll you've. Try it. I'll you've the grilled chicken sandwich, please. It feels different, right? That's completely normal. Native speakers blend sounds together. instead of pronouncing every single word separately. Let's practice one more time, nice and smooth. I'll have the grilled chicken sandwich, please. Excellent work. Now don't go anywhere because in just a moment, we're going to step into something a little more serious, a job interview conversation. But first, let's talk about something important, confidence. You know, Muniba Mazari once said something that stays in people's hearts, that we don't need permission to shine. We already have everything we need inside us. And when I think about English learners, I see the same truth. You already have a voice. You already have thoughts, feelings, dreams, opinions. English is not creating a new person inside you. It's simply giving your existing voice a new set of wings. Say that with me. My voice matters. One more time, a little louder. My voice matters. Yes, that's exactly the energy I want from you today. All right, let's move into our office and career conversations because so many of you have messaged me saying you need English for work and job interviews. Let's shadow this together, interviewer. So tell me a little about yourself, you. Sure, I have 3 years of experience in customer service and I really enjoy helping people solve problems. Let's break this into parts. Repeat with me. I have 3 years of experience. Again, I have 3 years of experience. Now, the second part. I really enjoy helping people solve problems. One more time. I really enjoy helping people solve problems. Now, let's put it all together smoothly. I have 3 years of experience in customer service, and I really enjoy helping people solve problems. Wonderful. You just answered one of the most common interview questions in the world, and you sounded confident doing it. Here's a golden pronunciation tip. In the word experience, many learners stress the wrong syllable. It's not experience, it's experience. The stress jumps to the middle. Try it slowly. Experience. Now at normal speed, experience. One more time with me. I have 3 years of experience. Beautiful. You're really improving already. Let's continue the interview a little further. Interviewer, why do you want to work with our company? You, because I truly believe in your mission and I want to grow with a team that values hard work and honesty. Let's shadow it together. Slowly first. I truly believe in your mission. Again, I truly believe in your mission. Now the second half, gasps. I want to grow with a team that values hard work and honesty. One more time. I want to grow with a team that values hard work and honesty. Now the full sentence, natural and confident. Because I truly believe in your mission and I want to grow with a team that values hard work and honesty. Excellent. Say it one more time like you really mean it. Because someday you will say something just like this in a real interview and you will get that job. Now let's take a short pause here and I want to tell you something from the heart. Learning a language is not a straight line. Some days you'll feel amazing and other days you'll feel like you're back at zero. That's normal. That's human. Even the most successful public speakers in the world once stumbled over their own words. What made the difference wasn't perfection, it was persistence. So if today's shadowing feels a little hard, that's not a sign to stop. That's a sign that you're exactly where growth happens. Say it with me. Growth feels uncomfortable, and that's okay. One more time, gently. Growth feels uncomfortable, and that's okay. Yes, beautifully said. Let's shift now into everyday conversation with friends, because English isn't only for interviews and restaurants, it's for real friendships, real laughter, real connection. Imagine you're texting or talking with a close friend after a long day. Friend, hey, how was your day? You, honestly, it was a bit exhausting, but I'm glad it's over. Repeat with me. It was a bit exhausting, but I'm glad it's over. One more time with real emotion. It was a bit exhausting, but I'm glad it's over. So good. Friend, do you want to grab coffee this weekend? You, I'd love that, let's do it. Say it with me. I'd love that, let's do it. Again with excitement. I'd love that, let's do it. Hey, perfect. Notice how your energy changes the meaning. English isn't only about correct words, it's about correct feeling too. Now let's talk about shopping, because this is such a useful everyday situation. Shop assistant, can I help you find anything? You, yes, actually. I'm looking for a jacket, something warm for winter. Repeat. I'm looking for a jacket, something warm for winter. One more time, naturally. I'm looking for a jacket, something warm for winter. Excellent. Shop assistant, this one's on sale. Would you like to try it on? You, sure, I'll try it on. Where's the fitting room? Say it with me. Where's the fitting room? Again, where's the fitting room? Beautiful. Quick pronunciation tip. Fitting room is often said quickly, almost blending into fitting room. Try it once more. Where's the fitting room? Wonderful. Now let's talk about traveling, because so many of you have told me your dream is to travel and speak English confidently along the way. Imagine you're at an airport and someone asks for help. Stranger, excuse me, do you know where gate 12 is? Yes, it's just down this hallway on your right. Repeat with me. It's just down this hallway on your right. One more time, clearly. It's just down this hallway on your right. Amazing. Do you see what just happened? You didn't only answer a question, you helped someone in English with confidence. That feeling, that exact feeling, is what fluency actually feels like. Not perfect grammar, connection. Before we finish today, let's talk about something deeply important: mistakes. So many learners are terrified of making mistakes, and that fear becomes the biggest wall between them and fluency. But here's the truth: nobody tells you enough. Every fluent speaker in the world once made hundreds, even thousands of mistakes. The difference is they kept speaking anyway. Muniba Mazari's story reminds us that circumstances don't define our worth. Our courage to keep moving forward does. Your accent, your small grammar mistakes, your nervous pauses, none of that defines you either. Your courage to keep showing up, that's what defines you. Say it with me. My mistakes don't define me. My courage does. One more time, strong and clear. My mistakes don't define me. My courage does. Yes, that's powerful. That's you today. Let's do one final full shadowing round, putting together the confidence we built today. Repeat every line with me slowly and proudly. Hi, I'm really glad to meet you. I have 3 years of experience and I truly enjoy what I do. I'd love that. Let's do it. Where's the fitting room? It's just down this hallway on your right. My mistakes don't define me. My courage does. One more time all together with full energy. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Do you hear that? That's the sound of someone getting more fluent, one honest sentence at a time. I want you to pause for a second and really feel what you just did. You didn't just repeat sentences today. You introduced yourself with confidence. You ordered food naturally. You answered interview questions like a professional. You connected with a friend. You shopped like a local. You helped a stranger at an airport. And you reminded yourself that mistakes are not your enemy. That is a huge amount of growth for one video, and you should be proud of yourself. Truly proud. Remember, just like Muniba Mazari turned an incredibly difficult chapter of her life into a source of strength for millions of people, you are turning your struggle with English into your own story of strength, one shadowing session at a time. Every single day you show up here, you are proving something to yourself, that you are capable of more than you once believed. If today's lesson touched your heart or helped your English even a little, please take a moment to like this video. It truly helps this channel reach more learners just like you. I would love to know in the comments below which sentence from today felt the most powerful to you. Was it "I don't quit easily"? Or maybe "My mistakes don't define me, my courage does"? Tell me. I read every single comment. And if you haven't already, please subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a single day of this journey. Because tomorrow, on day 5, we're going to dive into an even more exciting shadowing session with new expressions, new confidence-building conversations, and a story that might just surprise you. Until then, keep speaking, keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself. I'll see you tomorrow, right here, for the next step of your journey. You've got this.